Hello. Hello. It is an unboxing video. I got something new. It's a big one. This is a new beer fridge. Let me explain while I get my scissors. So, that was quick, by the way. I didn't need to explain anything. I already got the scissors. This was offered to me. This is somewhat of an ad. And NewAir contacted me because I'm big time now. I'm huge. #1 homebrew channel for sure. For sure, #1. Big time upcoming YouTube star Jason Reitzman. May have been the first time I said my last name on the channel, but it is Reitzman. They contacted me, said, hey, you want this chest freezer? Not chest freezer, do you want this beer fridge? And I said, yes, I do. And they said, all you have to do is mention it in a video. And I said, I will do more than that. I will do a full unboxing on it. There isn't much to this probably. It's probably just, you know, pull it up, plug it in, put your beer in there, call it a day. Pretty cool. So I'm going to take it out of the package and we'll show what the outside looks like because it is pretty sweet. So let's get a close look at some of this stuff here. Okay, let's open this puppy up. Oh yeah. Got the racks. They're all taped up right now so they don't slide around. It looks to be pretty nice and deep. It allegedly holds 127 beers. Could be about right. I might use it for wine though, because I drink a little more wine than beer usually. But don't tell anybody that. Got the bottom rack here. You can take the racks out for those homebrewers out there and use it for a beer fermenting beer in. Looks to me it probably would hold a 5-gallon jug. Here's a dusty old Big Mouth bubbler, 6 gallons. A little thinner than the 5-gallon carboy. But yeah, it looks like this one would definitely fit with the airlock that's on the ground there. Not a problem with that. I do have a 6-gallon carboy. Let's see what that would look like. I know, for those who follow my channel, it's weird. I do have 6-gallon carboys. I know. I do, though. They exist. They exist in the garage. So let's see if that would fit. And it would. Easily. Alright, I'm going to plug it in. Out here for now. And put some beer in it, and in an hour, I'm sure it'll be nice and cold. Alright, while this is cooling down, the specs. Limited edition design turns this freestanding beer fridge into a work of art for your home. True. Powerful compressor cooling allows you to go to 32 degrees. Room for a whopping 21 6-packs of standard cans in a compact footprint. Saves some floor space and an LED light in the back. And the warmest it goes to is 50 degrees Fahrenheit for those who use Fahrenheit. So I did open up the little manual here that was inside the fridge. And for those who are looking for the exact space on this, I know you're sometimes limited with space and want to know the dimensions. We're looking at 3.5 cubic feet, 18.5 inches wide, 18.6 inches deep, and 33.3 inches high. 1 is the warmest setting, 7 is the coldest. Little dial underneath. Right here. You know, obviously, again, you could temp control this if you wanted to. I'll probably throw this on warm as possible, like I said, and put some wine in there. But for now, I'm cooling it down, and yeah, let's see how it is in about 10 minutes to an hour or so. All right, it's been about an hour, maybe a little less, but let's see how we're at. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Yeah, that's working really well. You can see the mist forming, or the condensation already forming there. You can see the mist coming out there. This thing is pretty cool. I like it so far. It's brand new. We'll see how it lasts. If it craps out in like a month, then I'll let you guys know. But yeah, I'm gonna just store stuff in there. Maybe use it for fermentation stuff. Either way, it looks really cool. In the description below, I will put a promo code that you can use to buy this thing if you so choose. and a link as well. But yeah, there you go. Like, subscribe, the usual stuff. Get weird, keep getting weird, buy weird stuff, or buy normal stuff, and yeah, see you next time.